All right, now moving down to problems 3 and 4 on page 373. So a couple more examples. And here we're going to get to see how graphing the line can help us figure out these missing numbers. Okay, so remember, these are my ordered pairs that I'm going to graph. X is always first, so this first one is 4, 9, and I always run first and then rise. So I'm going to run over to 4, and then I'm going to rise up to 9. I'm going to put my first point there. Okay. Next point, I have 5, 7. The X always goes first, so I'm going to run over to 5. I'm going to rise up to 7. And that's where my next point goes. Next one, I run over to 6. And I rise up to 5. Put my point right there. Notice there, I'm always using the lines from the graph paper. Okay, I'm using the corners of those boxes and I'm using the lines to guide me. Okay, I can't do 7 yet, but I can do 8. So I run over to 8 first and then I rise up to 1. It's going to be right there. Okay, now I can kind of start to see my graph here. And let's see if I can use my ruler again on my screen. It's a little challenging. It's slippery, and my screen doesn't like all these points that I have touching the screen at once. That's pretty good. Okay, so now I can see when I go to 7 on the X, when I run over to 7, if I rise up till I meet my line, I'm going to meet it right there. And that is right at point at the 3 on the Y. So 3 must be my missing number. Okay, and you can see here it's going up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2. Ruh-roh, what did I do wrong there? Oh, I see what I did wrong. Duh, I started from right here. Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. I could put another point there. And it's going to continue along that pattern. All right, let's go to our next. Again, these are my ordered pairs. I'm going to graph them. X is always first, so this is 1, 3. The X is my horizontal axis, the Y is in the sky, or my vertical axis. So I'm going to run over 1 and then rise 3. Okay. Then I'm going to run for the next ordered pair, 3, 4. X is always first, Y is second. I run over to the 3 and I rise up to the 4. Okay, 5, 5 is my next ordered pair. So I run over 5 and I rise 5. Okay, I don't know 7 yet, but I can do the next one, 9, 7. X is always first. The X values are always first. So I'm going to run 9 and rise 7. That point goes there. Okay, again, a couple ways I could use my ruler, which is what I recommend you do. And again, I'm going to try the best I can. Pretty good. And so now I can see when X is 7, if I rise from 7, remember X is my run, so I run over to 7. If I rise from 7 till I hit that line, I'm going to hit it right about there, which would mean my Y value is going to be 6. Now you can also see it, I'm going up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2 once I get some of my points up 1 over 2. And again, that proves that that's where I need to be on my line, up 1 over 2. Okay. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.